Hi, welcome to Cars from Haynes. This is our 2016 66 Audi Q5 S-Line TDI Quattro 2 litre. Bit of a tongue twister. Finished in what I would call midnight blue, but the proper name of it will probably be on the advert. It's really nice, this car. Came on Part-X with another dealer that we underwrote it from. Has the odd mark on it with it being 9 years old, but overall it's lovely. You've got the electric boot if it works, because the key's in the car, which it does. Complete with parcel shelf. There we go. Have the full leather interior. Price X VAT at 20%. You probably guessed by now that I'm a big fan of TalkSport, so that's why it's always on. Nice spec on this sat-nav, heated seats. Obviously, as always, the full spec will be on the advert, so please read the advert. This car does benefit from the panoramic sunroof as well, twin sunroofs, as you can see. We do accept part exchanges. We offer finance if you need it. If you go to www.carsfromhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.